In this tutorial, we're going to talk about planar surface. This is basically used when you want to create 3D planar surface based on 2D drawings. For example, let's say that we want to create a rectangle like this, and we would want to create a surface from this. So this is a 2D line, but we would like to create a surface from it. We just type planar surface, enter, and here it is. So now you have this plane, and you have also the curve that you use to create it. In case the surface is a little bit different, for example, let's say that surface is not straight, that it's a little bit different and has different kind of curves, it will work the same way as long as it is in the same plane. So it needs to be straight. For example, if I type now planar surface, it will work. But if I, for any reason, change the control points, let's say I move this a little bit down, because it's not straight, it will not be able to create planar surface. Planar surface, it says here no faces were made. So just so you know that the curve needs to be in the same plane in order for this command to work.